Hello, everybody. A while ago, when I originally filmed the Magic Castle video, I I thought it was kind of all over the place, but I just was way too lazy to go back and do it over again. And then my son came and he woke up in the middle of the night and was like, I want to play too. So, anyways, this is not a review of the set. It's mostly just so you guys can hear the sounds without me talking, without people talking in the background, without stuff going on in the background for it. And so, you're going to see that several of the characters make the exact same sounds, and I'll kind of go over that a bit. But this isn't me talking, save for this and just a few other little things. But ultimately, yeah, let's just go ahead and get started for it. Once the bridge does go, or the gate door, so once it does go down, I probably won't keep trying to put it back up. So we'll start with the original guys that came with the set itself. And let's do it. Well, also, real quick, this door will not go down all the way. I don't know if I can put some sort of something on it, but and then each guy I think has maybe 2 or 3 sounds. So let's try this guy again. And of course, green means that they're um, heroes. They're good, good guys. Let's see here. Does this guy have a third sound? I think it's just the two. Oh. I don't know if that sounds exclusively his, but okay, there's night here. Okay, that's definitely not one of the sounds this guy makes, but so you know how these things work. Just doesn't push down all the way. So interesting. His is a trumpet fanfare, but wasn't any cheering. I think this guy had cheering with it, or the king did. No, there's that one, but there's another one. Here, I'm curious. try to get that fanfare one. Okay, you don't make that noise. Okay. Okay, one last time. I'm just curious if I get this, because I thought there was fanfare with okay, maybe it's just cheering with it. Okay, we got the Jester. He just has one more. According to this thing, Jester is a bad guy. And speaking of the bad guys, another bad guy here. Okay. I know these guys have another sound. And just so I don't forget, you can tap the nose here. We'll do a couple of those. I think it's random which ones it is. Okay, let's try this one last one. I lied. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the Witch and the Wizard. Make sure he's down there all the way. And the Witch should make the exact same sounds. Okay, that's definitely not the Witch's noise. Sometimes you like unevenly press, they come up with like other sounds. Okay. Okay. So I'm sure that you know, but each of these guys have holes in their feet, right? And based off of where the holes are, the different sounds are going to play. And so, as you can see with the witch and the wizard, they have a hole towards the upper side of one foot and a hole down the lower side of the other. So, meaning they both play the exact same sounds. It's just like she doesn't have a different one. She just does her own thing, and a lot of the characters are like this, um, and so yeah. So we'll do the ghost, skeleton, and mummy. But again, as you can see, I'll lower it down here. It's the same thing. Down the lower top, or down to the lower one, up at top. Down the lower one, up at top. Down the lower one, up at top. So they're all different, but they're all gonna either play like a it's like a bone rattle and like a ghost sound, I think. So try the mummy. Yeah. So I think those are the only two sounds. Again, you gotta. And then the ghost is going to do the same thing. You should do a bone rattle too. I think that's a dragon noise. Okay. Well, should be a bone rattle for it. So let's go ahead and let's do the dragon and cyclops next. These ones, do have sounds, so we gotta just kind of do this one-handed here. Kind of like sounds like a door, but I think it's supposed to be like a dragon noise. There we go. Let's see, there's one more. That's probably it. And cyclops, you can put a. There's one more noise for him. So there was a laugh or stomp stomp laugh, maybe. Try it one more time. Okay. Stagecoach, wagon, whatever guy. Let's do him next. So one of the interesting things about this guy is his feet. The holes in his feet are the same for the chariot guy in Hidden Treasure Pyramid, and so you can put this guy on that set and he'll make horse sounds. You can put the chariot guy on this set and he'll make horse sounds. So kind of interesting. The very last ones are the non-US sets. Now, really quick, I'm just going to show you here on these guys. So this is one of the bad guys that came with the actual castle, but these guys, as you can see here in just a minute, and that's kind of dark, but hole at the bottom, hole at the bottom, hole at the bottom, hole at the bottom. So all these guys are going to make the exact same sounds. You know, just to show you, but they all are going to make the exact same sounds. Okay. I know they probably make like a second sound, but just for the sake of not having this be 45 minutes long. Come on. And then same thing with the good knights here. You know, all their holes in their feet, bottom corner, bottom corner, bottom corner, and then this guy, bottom corner. So they're all going to make the exact same sounds. There's going to be some cheering. The door's going to open. Okay. Although with the trumpet fanfare, I really think the King's is different. I might try the King again here in just a minute. Okay, this video is getting long, so we got to finish this up. Okay, let's try the King one last time. But I really... Yeah, okay. So his has that fanfare with cheering at the end, and if you look down at the bottom here, so this is just one of the knights. It's in here in the corner, but the King's is up here at top. So the King has a unique King sound, while I gotta find him here, but I always thought this guy was like the bad guy, King or Captain, whatever. But his feet placement are the exact same as all the other guys, and so there isn't really anything special about him. It's only just the King that has a unique King sound. And the very last guys are the Jousting knights. One of the interesting things is that they both have the holes in the bottom of their foot there. See how it's there? So they'll both make the exact same sounds. Try this guy again here. So if we go based off of the other knights or bad guy knights, again, it's hole in the bottom of the foot here, hole in the bottom of the foot here, hole in the bottom of the foot here. So these guys are making bad guy sounds, but this guy should have a hole on here, but he doesn't. He has a hole on the other side, which is a bad guy side. And so even though this guy is clearly a good guy with his white and gold and lions, nope. Come on. He should make some bad guy sounds. All right. The video is 20 minutes long, so let's finish this up. So anyways, I know this video was super long with me trying to do all the sounds here, but I just wanted to show off all the noises without a lot of noises in the background. I would like to do it with Double Dual Power Chip and Hidden Treasure Pyramid too. And so, thanks for watching.